Welcome to our video. We focus on the research and development and production of pigment additives and are committed to providing high-quality additive products for different industries to meet various production needs. As a leading company in the field of pigment additives, we have many years of professional experience and are committed to innovation, quality, and environmental protection. Our goal is to add color to our customers' production processes through high-quality additive products. We provide a variety of pigment additives to meet the needs of different industries. Whether it is a high-performance weathering additive, an environmentally friendly dispersant, or a color enhancer for special color effects, our products have excellent quality and stable performance. Our additive products can significantly improve color stability, dispersion, and durability, allowing your products to perform better in color. Our products are widely used in automotive coatings, architectural coatings, plastic products, textile printing and dyeing, and other fields. They are suitable for a variety of materials and help customers achieve high-quality visual effects and product performance. We use internationally leading production equipment to ensure the high quality and consistency of each batch of products. The first step is the precise proportioning and mixing of raw materials. We strictly select raw materials and mix them accurately according to the formula to ensure the efficient performance of the finished product. After mixing, the raw materials enter the automated production line, where they are heated, extruded, and granulated to make the additives suitable for use in different industries such as granules, powders, or liquids. The next step is cooling and drying, which ensures that each additive maintains high quality and has a longer shelf life. Our R&D team is always at the forefront of exploration, strictly controlling every production link to ensure that our products meet the highest quality standards. We have established a strict quality control system, and all products must pass rigorous testing to ensure safety, environmental protection, and compliance with international standards. In the future, we will continue to innovate, develop more efficient and environmentally friendly pigment additives, and provide better product solutions. If you are interested in our pigment additive products, please contact us. We look forward to working with you to create a more colorful future.